These 10 BMW models don't have the greatest reputation when it comes to reliability. By the end of this video, you will know which BMW models are the least reliable so you can avoid expensive maintenance repairs. Number 1. E60/E61 550i. The E60 sedan and E61 wagon 550i models from 2006 to 2010 represent BMW's biggest reliability disaster. Powered by the notorious N62 V8 engine that suffers from catastrophic valve stem seal failure and timing chain problems. This combination creates repair bills that often exceed the vehicle's value. The N62 4.8-liter V8 is infamous for valve stem seal failure that causes massive oil consumption, often burning through a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. The timing chain guides are made of plastic that becomes brittle with age, eventually breaking and allowing timing chain stretch that can destroy the entire engine. According to Consumer Reports data and BMWs forums, over 80% of N62 engines will experience valve stem seal failure by 120,000 miles, while timing chain problems affect 60% of engines by 150,000 miles. The valve stem seal replacement requires complete engine removal and costs $8,000 to $12,000, while timing chain repairs add another $4,000 to $6,000. Smart buyers avoid any BMW with the N62 engine regardless of maintenance history. Number 2. E70 X5 X-Drive 50i. The E70 X5 X-Drive 50i from 2007 to 2013 combines the problematic N63 V8 engine with SUV complexity and air suspension failures that create endless repair bills. This model represents everything wrong with BMW's reliability during their experimental turbo V8 era. The N63 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 suffers from valve stem seal and timing chain problems, but adds turbocharger failures and complex cooling system issues. The hot V-turbo design traps heat that destroys surrounding components, while the air suspension system fails regularly and costs $3,000 to repair. According to automotive service data and BMW forums, E70 X5 50i models require major repairs every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, with annual maintenance costs often exceeding $4,000. The worst years are 2007 to 2010, when the original problematic N63 engine was used without updates. Smart buyers choose the naturally aspirated 35i version or avoid the E70 generation entirely. Number 3. F01/F02 750i. The F01 sedan and F02 long wheelbase 750i from 2009 to 2015 represents BMW's flagship sedan, ruined by the catastrophic N63 V8 engine and complex electronics that fail constantly. This model proves that expensive doesn't mean reliable in BMW's lineup. The N63 engine problems are amplified in the 7 Series due to additional weight and luxury features that stress the already problematic power plant. The complex electronics, including iDrive, comfort access, and numerous control modules, fail regularly and require expensive dealer diagnosis and repair. According to RepairPal data and BMW service records, F01/F02 750i models have reliability ratings among the worst in the luxury sedan segment, with owners reporting constant problems and repair bills that average $5,000 annually. The worst years are 2009 to 2012, when the most problematic N63 variants and early iDrive systems were used. Smart buyers avoid this generation's 7 Series entirely. Number 4. E89 Z4 S-Drive 35i. The E89 Z4 S-Drive 35i from 2009 to 2016 combines the problematic N54 twin-turbo engine with convertible complexity and limited service access that makes repairs extremely expensive. This roadster represents BMW's failed attempt to create a reliable turbocharged sports car. The N54 3-liter twin-turbo inline-6 suffers from high-pressure fuel pump failures, carbon buildup, and turbocharger problems that are amplified by the Z4's limited engine bay access. The convertible top mechanism fails regularly and costs $3,000 to repair. According to automotive service data and Z4 forums, E89 35i models require major repairs every 50,000 to 70,000 miles, with fuel system problems occurring predictably around 80,000 miles. The worst years are 2009 to 2012, when the most problematic N54 variants were used without updates. Smart buyers choose the naturally aspirated 30i version or avoid the E89 generation entirely. Number 5. F25 X3i. The F25 X3i from 2011 to 2016 features the N55 single-turbo engine that represents a slight improvement over the N54, but still suffers from significant reliability problems, including timing, chain stretch, and turbocharger failures. This model disappoints executives who expect reliable luxury transportation. The N55 3-liter single-turbo inline-6 eliminates some N54 problems, but introduces timing chain stretch issues that can cause catastrophic engine failure. The single turbocharger is more reliable than the N54's twin-turbo setup, but still fails regularly around 100,000 miles and costs $3,000 to replace. According to Consumer Reports data and BMW service records, F10 535i models have below-average reliability ratings, with owners reporting frequent turbocharger and timing system problems. The worst years are 2011 to 2013, when the earliest N55 variants with the most timing chain problems were used. Smart buyers choose the naturally aspirated 528i version or consider other luxury sedans that offer better reliability. Number 6. E92 335i. The E92 335i coupe from 2007 to 2013, powered by the N54 twin-turbo engine, represents one of BMW's most disappointing enthusiast cars, combining incredible performance potential with catastrophic reliability that makes ownership a constant struggle. The N54 engine suffers from high-pressure fuel pump failures that leave owners stranded, carbon buildup that requires expensive cleaning every 50,000 miles, and turbocharger wastegate failures that cause overboosting and potential engine damage. The fuel injectors fail regularly due to carbon contamination. According to automotive forums and BMW specialists, E92 335i models require major repairs every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, with fuel system problems being particularly common and expensive. The worst years are 2007 to 2010, when the most problematic N54 variants were used without updates. Smart buyers choose the naturally aspirated 328i version or wait for later generations with more reliable engines. Number 7. F25 X3 xDrive 35i. The F25 X3 xDrive 35i from 2011 to 2017 combines the problematic N55 engine with SUV complexity and all-wheel drive system failures that create expensive repair bills. This compact SUV represents BMW's struggle to create reliable turbocharged utility vehicles. The N55 engine problems are amplified in the SUV application due to additional weight and stress, while the xDrive all-wheel drive system adds complexity that fails regularly around 100,000 miles. The transfer case and differential problems cost $2,000 to $4,000 to repair. According to RepairPal data and X3 forums, F25 35i models have reliability ratings significantly below average for the compact luxury SUV segment, with owners reporting frequent drivetrain and engine problems. The worst years are 2011 to 2014, when the most problematic N55 variants and early xDrive systems were used. Smart buyers choose the naturally aspirated 28i version or consider other compact luxury SUVs. Number 8. E60 M5. The E60 M5 from 2005 to 2010 features the S85 V10 engine that represents BMW's most spectacular performance failure, combining incredible power with catastrophic reliability that makes ownership financially devastating. The S85 5-liter V10 suffers from rod-bearing failures that require preventive replacement every 60,000 miles at costs exceeding $5,000, while the throttle actuators fail regularly and cost $2,000 to replace. The Vano system problems add another $3,000 repair. According to M5 forums and BMW specialists, E60 M5 ownership costs average $6,000 to $8,000 annually in maintenance and repairs, making it more expensive to own than many exotic supercars. The worst years are 2005 to 2007, when the most problematic S85 variants and early SMG systems were used. Smart buyers avoid the E60 M5 entirely unless they have substantial maintenance budgets. Number 9. F3320i. The F3320i from 2013 to 2019, powered by the N22-liter turbo engine, represents BMW's failed attempt to create an affordable, reliable entry-level sedan. This model combines timing chain problems with turbocharger failures that make ownership expensive despite the lower purchase price. The N20 engine suffers from timing chain stretch that can cause catastrophic engine failure, while the turbocharger fails regularly around 80,000 miles and costs $2,500 to replace. The timing chain problems require complete engine disassembly and cost $4,000 to $6,000 to repair. According to Consumer Reports data and BMW service bulletins, N20 engines have specific extended warranties for timing chain problems due to their frequency and severity. The worst years are 2013 to 2015, when the most problematic N20 variants were used without updates. Smart buyers choose naturally aspirated engines from earlier generations, or wait for the more reliable B48 engine in later models. Number 10. E71 X6 xDrive 50i. The E71 X6 xDrive 50i from 2008 to 2014 represents BMW's most questionable design decision, combined with their least reliable engine, creating a vehicle that disappoints on every level. This coupe SUV combines the N63 V8's catastrophic problems with impractical design and complex systems that fail constantly. The N63 engine problems are amplified in the X6 due to additional weight and aerodynamic challenges of the coupe SUV design, while the complex air suspension and active steering systems add layers of expensive failures. The combination creates repair bills that can easily exceed $15,000. According to automotive service data and X6 forums, these models have among the worst reliability ratings in BMW's lineup, with owners reporting constant problems and repair bills that average $5,000 annually. The worst years are 2008 to 2011, when the most problematic N63 variants and early complex systems were used. Smart buyers avoid the E71 X6 50i entirely and choose conventional SUVs with proven engines. These 10 BMW models prove that the ultimate driving machine can become the ultimate financial nightmare when reliability problems destroy the ownership experience. The common thread among these problematic models is that BMW prioritized performance and complexity over proven engineering, creating vehicles that impress in showrooms but devastate owners with repair bills that never end. Understanding these reliability disasters helps you avoid the biggest mistakes in used BMW shopping and choose models that deliver the driving experience BMW is known for without the financial stress these problematic vehicles create. The most important lesson is that BMW reliability varies dramatically by model and engine, making research essential before purchasing any used BMW. Smart buyers avoid these 10 models entirely and choose proven alternatives that offer BMW's legendary driving dynamics with the reliability that makes ownership enjoyable rather than stressful. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.